Ching. Si Kuya nandun. We have big fish. I got big fish. I got fish. Fish today. It should be 3 fish today, but oops. It's very big, ate.
Sarah, look.
Ah, Mama got this. Ay.
Ah! How big?
They are the same size.
They're twins.
Mama, it should be 3. But the other one is escaped. The other one. Okay. I'm happy today. I got
You're lucky, Mama. Yeah.
Wala namang kutsara eh.
Nandito kutsara.
Han ska flytta in i det huset som Robin bodde i. Det är egentligen persil, du vet, den gråa. You don't like to eat this one, look.
Our binignit. Parang wala nang sabaw.
This is
Philippines.
Philippines.
Ano in English sa binignit?
I don't know.
Och Robin ska bo kvar på tomten i husvagnen. Han tog den husvagnen och en husvagn till.
Sige na, kain na tayo.
Mga Swedish kumain ng binignit.
Oh, mga Swedish ko na in-laws. Kumain siya na.
Kumain na binignit. Only hardly to eat.
Ano, is good?
That's good.
Det är 3 familjer. Kalle. Okay, you can hang.
Jag sa till Anna, hon ska ta kontakt med den reportern och så protestera mot det här. Vi som bor absolut närmast har sagt helt nej. De som bor långt ute i periferin är de som har klagat. Det är bara att säga till dem.
Alla uppe i Lekåsa.
Ja.
Pais, ano danig? Uy.
Påsklov. Magkagulis yun.
Yung isang kuha namin, no? So, piniprito ko na siya para may ulam na kami mamaya. Dalawa yun eh. This is the dried fish that I make that one. So, yung pagkain namin today. Yan.
Parang bangus kasi. Bangus sa
Kinamoso okra. You still have more chicken there and also the hamburger, Harley. Daddy, you don't want to eat, Daddy?
No, I'm fat.
Ang bilis ko nakakuha, guys. Nandito na naman kami hapon ngayon. Oh, ito yung kuha ko ngayon. Ulit. Ay, ang laki. Ang laki, diba? Hane? Hane? Tadang! Oh my God. Kaninang umaga, dalawa yung sa akin. Ngayon, pangatlo. Diba? Swerte ko ngayon, araw. And I got the fish! And ito lang yung niya, steak. Lucky boy! You and mommy is so lucky today.
Yeah, and Holly.
Oh!
Holly and me and mom is lucky.
Oh.
And Tapian and Molly.
Okay. You're the lucky boy. You have the simple stick only. Tapos ito. And daddy there. He gonna move. You have more coming? You have more? We go home now kasi nag-ulan.
Bye-bye.
Who is the lucky today?
Yeah. Alex.
And
And Papa?
No.
No.
And Papa.
No. No.
Papa
No.
don't have fish. Papa have zero fish.
It's because I don't want to have my hands smelling fish. That's why.
Papa have 100 fish.
Yeah.
No, Daddy have
And it's raining
billion
today.
fish. No, Daddy have.
Ako ng isda guys, no. Nilinis ko na yung malaki. Tingnan niyo ha. Buhi pa talaga siya. Kahit tinanggalan ko na siya ng ano guys. Buhi pa talaga siya. Oh. Kahit tinanggalan ko pa ng ano oh. Bakit ano ba to? Oh. Tingnan niyo ha. Diba nakita niyo kanina? Nagano pa siya. Wala na tong hasang. Kinuha ko na eh. Oh. Hindi ko pa rin siya. Oops. Kuyawan sa taoy. Anong buhi pa man eh? Tawa ha. Oh. Buhi pa man na siya. Himbisan na guna ako na. Gikuanan na akong hasang oh. Oh. Wala na gina siya. Ato daw ning Picasso. Nako diri naglimpyo kay kuan kani sulod. Isda ako man ning i-dry. Bisan na nako. Oh. Kisi-kisi pag yun siya gyapon. Grabe ang life aning isda ani. Kuan kayo. Kani gustong mamatay. Galukso-lukso ko siya ganina nga hiwa na kong tiyan. Dako siyang isda no. Mura siyang tilapia. Or pero daghan bukugon siya, bukugon pero lami siya. Tamis. Ganyan siya oh, kadako. Himo na ko ni siya og bulad. Kuan ko ning isa. Tawa ang sulod sa tiyan sa isda nga kuan oh. Inani siya oh. Uy. Kuan lang siya. Hangin ang sulod. Kani buhi pag yun sila. Kaso na ko ni. Yan. Ouch. Ouch. Gamaya ni. Sa Alexander rabay nakakuha ni. Happy Easter day sa tanan. Kuan karon guys. Glad post. Easter day. Tuan ning Picasso. Saan na nga ako ha, Picasso? Pagka na maghimo og kuan sa bulad. See you later. Guys, natapos na tayong maglinis. Ang linis-linis na. Kaya ilagay ko to siya sa sa freezer. Hindi muna ako mag-dry today kasi parang uulan bukas at saka sa Sunday. Okay, ayan, meron na tayong ulam. Ang ang laki ng isda. Bye. Hello, good morning. Going to saan tayo?
Norway.
We're going to Norway. It's Saturday today.
Påskafton.
Påskafton today. Kahapon kasi påsk. So doon ni Darling. Tapos babalik kami bukas kasi work ako sa
Summer
Monday.
tire, bicycle, computers.
Kunin namin yung mga gamit ko na iba. Tapos yung weather dito ngayon is maulan. Sana sa Norway is it's sunshine. Dito kasi cloudy, tingnan. Oh, cloudy. At nagulan siya kanina eh. So ayan. So see you there later. Babush. Welcome to Norway. It's raining also. It's raining man guys. Na-order muna kami ng food kasi gutom. It's 2:11 in the afternoon now.
Yeah, and we buy American.
American. Burger King.
Just let you know we don't support you.
Yeah, even if we buy American Trump, we don't support you. Here's Harley's burger.
Wow.
Wow, so big.
The crispy chicken is good.
It's good?
Mama, look at my mouth.
You have bacon on it?
I have and Harley's fries there. Mag-fries ako kay init pa. Tunnel.
Yeah, tunnel. Welcome to Norway.
Pag nagay tunnel daghan Norway.
Yeah, in Sweden, you have to look for tunnels in
Yeah.
Norway. No, we're passing him here, or must he go inside there?
Tesla
He
guys.
go with taxi there.
Tesla nga taxi guys. Oh my goodness. Feel ko expensive siguro yan.
It's not raining? Good observation, Alexander. But now we're gonna go to Hillefors. That's why we go here. We should go to Bergen. E16 to Bergen.
Bergen.
Bergen. And we've been there also in Bergen.
We're going that one in Bergen.
No, there's local
Train. Bye bye train. There.
No, not a slide.
We're here now in the Bikersund. See, malaki na yung nila oh. Dito kami palagi dati. Nice na yung sa Bikersund. Dito kami palagi kasi nagtira kami dyan sa Mayalo.
The big little house is gone.
No, it's there.
There, that house that we lived in before. Tapos ito yung fjord nila dito.
Hotel keys.
Palagi kami dito nag-walking.
Huh?
It's the older playground.
We should go inside and buy something stuff over here now. They have the fish in Kiwi or Coop.
Yeah.
But we go to Euro
Rice.
price. No socks.
No. I don't need to buy.
Oh, you have electric one there. Yeah.
This is the town here in
He
Bikersund.
do right. He walk over with it because his parents say never go walk.
Maybe it's the Domarsteng.
Ah!
Or at, yeah. Daklokan, Fem, Ridan, Domarsteng. Oh my.
Are they open tomorrow?
Nej, de är stängd söndagar.
It's Sunday today.
Lördag.
We was
Subtoy.
Pangit mo ka.
Ay ate. Punta rami kay kay Ate Yolanda. At saka na si Jaika, i-surprise namin. Ano kayang na here in Drammen.
miss you, Sky. You're so cute.
Hey, is Kiwi open there?
Nice.
Check.
10. Yeah,
Check.
open 10.
Open 10. Because the small Kiwi here is always open. Sundays. Today is Easter Day.
But you gotta come back here anyway. It's so quiet water.
Now we're on Drammen.
There we are in Mjøndalen.
Papa, now we are also on Drammen.
Mjøndalen.
Mjøndalen. We should go to Strømsnestunnelen, and then we are in Drammen.
That's not Norway. That's not Norway. Yes, I know.
Good morning, people. Good morning, people.
Hello. Why?
It's very full the car. Uwi na kami, babalik na kami
It's
sa
7 plus
Sweden.
Yeah.
Back home na kasi work na naman bukas. Back to work and back to school on
Papa, do you want steel?
Tuesday is back to school kasi holiday man bukas. Pero may work ako holiday. See you in Sweden. Nordby muna kami guys. Kasi may bibilhin kami.
Papa, do you like this? Yo, we was here. North. We'll be buying candy.
Open sila dito sa Norway, close man. So dito kami
Only Norwegian cars.
Norwegian cars, a lot of
Yeah,
Norwegian
only Norwegian. Oh, that
people
was
shopping.
sweet.
See you inside.
Sweden. Norway. Norway. Sweden.
So, we have
Ilang ano?
honey, Hollywood has electric.
Apurada.
Knock down street.
What they have here is nothing here, I think. Hardly is car here. See, it's nothing. Now is parking in here. You cannot do anything here. I told you.
Hello.
What you have, Harley? Double.
Double.
Das macht McDonald's. It's actually McDonald's. This one's
I have full here in my seat.
I must say that I feel like the hamburger. No, I must say it. Burger King is more tasty than this.
Let's eat. Nandito kami sa sa church, may sa cherry. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Kaya yan. Okay, we go. Harley, come. We go. We go home now. We are done here.